I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get some ice cream. Now me and Tony are going to lunch.
That way, strong way.
I'm a dope boy.
What is that? Not cheese.
Not cheese? Don't tell him I'm here. Are you scared of us? He will poop and he will do that. Just like it's poop on soil. Kidding. Charlie!
What's up, Jakey?
Look, enjoy my ice cream.
Nate. This is Colby. This is his camera. Yep. Shout out colbytoojelly on YouTube. Subscribe to me, guys.
Subscribe to me, you know what I'm saying? Look at that.
It's on his eye!
Lick
He's
it,
gonna bite
lick
me!
it.
Oh my god, it's all in his eye. Please take him, I feel too bad.
Oh, Dr. Colby to the...
Well, it's a veterinarian.
Why is he curled up like that?
Because you put ice cream in his eye.
I should play a song.
It's country.
It's
I'm
not
jumping out of the car.
country.
Hey, I didn't know you had a twin. Look at y'all, so cute.
And take a picture of me and Russ.
You know, like, I wouldn't say I'm bad, but like, I don't know, I'm just kind of like, I'm all set.
Charlie! Oh my god! Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah,
Who is this?
Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Look at how
Nice
cute
to meet
this
you.
is. Very neat.
It's on one of the sides.
You.
Miss you
We're
too.
supposed to hang out today.
And it is today, and we're hanging out.
A certain amount of pictures.
Can you go get me like a Kool-Aid or something?
This is Bethany, this is Emily. I just bought this. Thank you. Perfect. I love Brad. Jacob. I'm sorry, bud.
That's my shirt. Where did you
I didn't know that. Nah,
When did you have my shirt?
I don't know, I've never worn it.
I got it from Charlie's today. I bought that and I never wore it.
Ask Charlie, bro. I got it today.
Oh yeah, I just think my
That is my shirt.
So I just interject.
Paparazzis, bro. Get that camera out of my face. I do not mess with paparazzis. Get out of my face. Bye, Charlie.
Love you, bro. I love you, bro.
Give me my
Hey,
buffalo.
shout out to colbytoojelly.
Thank you, colbytoojelly. I love you.
Kobe got us McDonald's.
I mean, I would do that without the shout out, but I was just saying, go follow my channel.
Why didn't we?
I'm gonna use it on V-Bucks and or crack.
And now I'm home. But there's people here, so.
Yeah, alright, Pops, I'll hit you up.
Some viewers may find this disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
R.I.P. my man. That snake is going for a while.
Oh, put it back, put it.
I don't need it though. I'll be in the backseat.
And that's all.
Which one?